Do your AirPods keep showing the previous owner's name, or did you purchase them from someone else and can't use them? I will tell you how to reset your AirPods to set them up from scratch. Watch to the end, there is a helpful tip in there. For that, we need to perform hot reset. So open up the lid, and now on your phone you can see this pop-up message with the name of your device and battery level. But if not, then don't worry, this is not necessary step. So now I want you to find this button on the back part of the case. We are gonna press and hold it till this indicator on the front will be blinking white, and then it will turn on orange. So let's try this out. The whole process will take about 10 to 15 seconds. So I'm just gonna hold the button till the indicator will be orange reddish. And now it is orange, so we can close the case to save changes. And now they have been factory reset. So to reconnect with your phone, just open up the lid and they should automatically go into a pairing mode, so that indicator on the front will be blinking white to confirm that. And on your screen, you should see this option to connect new AirPods. Just tap connect button, wait a few seconds, and then you will see the name of the AirPods as well as its battery level. You can also go in settings, tap on Bluetooth, and make sure that you can see those AirPods in the list My Devices and status connected. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.